How to convert your images to PDF on your Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily convert images to PDF on Android phone. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. But before we get started, I'd also like you to turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now, let's begin. So to convert any images into a PDF, you'll need to download an application called Cam Scanner. You could do this on any other app as well, but it's easier to use Cam Scanner. So go ahead and open up your Play Store and make sure to install Cam Scanner on your device. Now just open up the application. Now what you're going to do is tap on the camera icon down below like so. And then you are going to tap for the import images. So just tap on import images. So here I have imported few of the images on Cam Scanner. And now what you can do is, here are the images. So what you want to do now is simply tap on the three lines at the top right. And then click on edit PDF, or you could just save to gallery. Now tap on share, and then you can tap on share as PDF, and you could send it to any of the application here and it will be shared as a PDF. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.